Alright guys, so what we're going to do first of all is that we are going to do our frequency table. Here would be Adler's violin practice. Now remember that your frequency table is mainly made up of 3 areas, all right, and 3 of the columns need a label. Here would be the time, here would be the tally marks, here would be the frequency. All right, we have the first range 0 to 10 minutes. We have 11 to 20 minutes, and then we continue until we have arrived to roughly 51 to 60 minutes. So there we go, that would be 21 to 30, then we have 31 to 40, then we have 41 to 50, we have 51 to 60 minutes. Then we have the tally. So there we go, that from 0 to 10 we have 2, from 11 to 20 we have 4, from 21 to 30 we have 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. From 31 to 40 we have 3. 1 2 3. And then we have 41 to 50, which is 6. And 51 to 60 we have 7. 5 6 7. And then we can complete our frequency. 2 4, this would be 8, this would be 3, this would be 6, and this would be 7. With this data now that we have already placed in our frequency table, we can now proceed with our histogram. Remember that the histogram shows ranges. It could be score ranges, it could be also like time spent in doing an activity. Those are called intervals. Okay, ranges, intervals. From here we move on to create our histogram. From here, if you have noticed, we have drawn our 2 main lines, which is our x and our y-axis. Now on this section, our y-axis, we will put in the number of days, all right, the amount of days that Adler practices. So here would be number of days, and here, since we're talking about time intervals, here would be time spent practicing. Now we have 3 main labels. The first one being Adler's violin practice, then we have the number of days, and then we have the time spent practicing. From here, now I need to pay attention here, my scale. Right, I need to choose a scale that would work adequately based on the data that I have here on my frequency table. Okay, the highest number here is an 8. Okay, an 8. So I come here on my y-axis and I choose a scale. For me, it works perfectly if I go by ones, but remember, they always starts with 0. 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. If you notice, I use the lines that the blank already has, and I counted by ones. Now how would I start doing now my bars in my histogram? Remember that there would be no space, but the thickness, the width of the bars need to be the same. So this is what I have shared to you guys. For it to be equal, uniform, you choose a sequence of numbers so that it be the same size. For example, I shared with you, you can do it by 2 centimeters. So this from here to here would be the first interval. From 2 to 4 would be another one. I'm skip counting by 2s. And then I continue. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 intervals. Alright. So with this, now here, I can continue with my histogram. I look at the first one. If you pay attention, the first one is 2. 0 to 10 minutes has a frequency of 2. 2 days he practices 0 to 10. So I find my 2, and then I need to draw a line where it will meet with the first one over here. So let's see, there we go, 0 to 10. The other range is from 11 to 20 minutes, and that one becomes 4. Yeah, so from here then we go to the second one, which is 4. Come here, 4. Have to be very careful. There is no need for you to be hurrying and for you to be doing your work in a hurry. Then we go to the other one, which is 8, and that would be from 21 to 30 minutes. That becomes all the way 8. It's very easy. Once you understand how to do your frequency table, it's easy for you to transfer your data. Remember, another word for data is information. And boom, we have done the one for 8. We go to the one which is 31 to 40 minutes. That would be 3 times, 3 days. So we come here, boom, I find the 3. From here to here. And almost done. I go to 41 to 50. 41 to 50. Then that would be 6. Continue with the one that is for 6 over here. 6 over here. And I have the one for 6. Now I go for the last one, which is 51 to 60 minutes. That takes a frequency of 7 days. 7 right there, right here, and boom. Now the easiest thing to do is to color. Remember, once you color, it makes it more attractive and the data is easily visible. And remember that the histogram doesn't have a space. The bars are connected because it shows ranges. Thank you.
Lala play with brain, Cha-cha boom play with brain. Enjoy with love each day, they will be with you all the way. Chicky Lala play with brain, Cha-cha boom play with brain. Enjoy with love each day, they